Bullish Aave cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $378.01 and $823.22 by 2030. Market investigators accept Aave could reach $378.01 by 2025. Bearish Aave market cost expectation for 2022 is $67.20. Aave presentation. Aave has become well known as one of the main conventions for decentralized crypto advances over time. Aave has set up a good foundation for itself as a powerful stage that is ceaselessly refreshed and improved. Through various administrations, Aave's clients might get and loan an assortment of digital forms of money. Aave is one of the 6 biggest decentralized finance drives, as per DeFi Llama, because of numerous banks securing in their coin. Holders of the Aave token get diminished stage costs, and may likewise involve it as an administration token. What is Aave? Business visionary Stani Kilichov decided to make his own credit application in 2017 when there weren't any on Ethereum. To empower individuals to loan and get Ether, ETH-Lend was created. In any case, when the undertaking ventured into a few cryptographic forms of money, the moniker was presently not proper. In September 2018, Kilichov changed the venture's name to Aave. In English, the Finnish expression Aave, and that signifies phantom, represents the stage's objective of fostering an open, straightforward foundation for decentralized banking. By offering interest, Aave urges its clients to get digital money into liquidity pools. Borrowers can leave the pool, yet a greater measure of insurance is required. As such, over-collateralization is the giving of guarantee that is more important than planned misfortunes in default circumstances. You might acquire cash from Aave without giving any security. Clients can get a digital money through a Blaze credit, which should be reimbursed inside a block. With a Glimmer credit, borrowers might exploit the different estimating being given at different trades. To make this strategy as speedy and basic as could be expected, the token was made. Proprietors of Aave might decide on convention changes, including those influencing the guidelines overseeing the business sectors and how hold monies are taken care of. Aave basic investigation. Stani Kilichov laid out the Swiss firm Aave in 2017. Under the moniker ETH-Lend, the organization sold 1 billion Aave, recently known as Loan, in an ICO that gathered about $16.2 million. For the Aave group, the excess 300 million Aave units were kept. Aave is constrained by a decentralized organization of PCs utilizing brilliant agreements over Ethereum blockchain. The essential usefulness of the Aave stage is the formation of a loaning pool that empowers clients to loan and get different digital currencies. The borrower stores the resources they wish to loan, and the resources are a while later conveyed to a pool from which they can get a credit. Aave has sent off 2 unmistakable kinds of tokens to make this strategy significantly easier. The loan specialists were given tokens to gather interest on stores. The local badge of the stage is Aave token. Holders of Aave tokens have additional advantages. For example, the capacity to get cash without being charged an expense, and to get cash with lower costs, and a higher credit limit in the event that they vow Aave as security. Aave, then again, empowers streak advances, which might be allowed immediately and paid with the requirement for security. Aave current cost. Aave is presently worth $84 USD. Aave has moved 2.26% as of now with an exchanging volume of $169,509,973. Aave is presently positioned 46 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,196,634,486 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Aave to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Aave Value Forecast 2022. Aave, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Aave cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $126. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $117.60 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Aave is supposed to have a base worth of $100.80. Aave Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Aave cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Aave will before long outperform $210.01. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Aave's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Aave will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $168.01 and a typical exchanging cost of $184.81. Aave Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $294.01 and Aave might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Aave is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $268.81 and a low of $252.01 in 2024. Aave Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Aave effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Aave coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Aave will be green in 2025. The Aave is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $378.01, with a base cost of $336.01 and a typical cost of $352.81. Aave Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Aave cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $436.81 by 2026, with a base cost of $420.01 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Aave has a most extreme value worth of $462.01. Aave Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $520.82. In the event that Aave figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $546.02. Neglecting to accumulate the help Aave needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $504.02. Aave Value Expectation 2028. While Aave is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $588.02 and a yearly cost close above $630.02 in 2028. Aave Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Aave will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $672.02 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $714.02, averaging out at $688.82. Aave Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Aave cost in 2030 is projected to be $823.22 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $789.62. And DeFi credits have a sizable market, as exhibited by Aave, whose convention is the norm in the area. Regardless